How to change your account in Chrome. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can change your account on Google Chrome browser. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you could be using the Chrome browser, or you could also be using the Chrome app on your mobile. Whatever the case is, you just want to switch your Google account, right? So to switch your Google account, it's very simple. First of all, make sure you've added the Google account and then open the Chrome browser, whether on phone or whether on PC, because the process is the same. Whenever you open your Chrome browser, you'll find your Chrome profile from the top right hand side. You can see this little red, or you can see this little circle icon here, which represents your Google profile picture. If you tap on it, you'll enable other options as well. So basically, whenever I tap on this current profile picture, it'll give me other options such as to manage my Google account, or I can switch to other account. So you can see I have another Google account added. If you've not added, tap on manage account and then add it. And if you want to switch it, just tap on the next Google profile, and then you can see my Google account will be successfully switched. And the process is the same on the PC as well. This is how you can change your account in Google Chrome. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.